Hello, this is Chris from Central Michigan Sewing Supplies, owner and operator. Today we are going to talk a little bit about the Singer single lead power cord. I get a lot of questions on the models 301, 401, and 403 as to why there's 3 holes in the power cord and only 2 prongs on the machine. The center hole was considered a deadhead and was not used in this application. This is the original Singer cord that came with this machine. Some of the earlier 401s and 403s and also the 301 used the Bakelite end, and some of those only had 2 holes in them. This one we're changing out today because it's very corroded on the inside, and when you put it on, it fits very loosely. These power cords, you do want them to fit tight. This is the new power cord sold for these machines. They're sold under 2 numbers, 122 and 780. This is the new power cord. Comparing it to the original Singer power cord, they're very, very close to identical. When you first install these cords, they are going to go on a little hard, but you do want them to fit tight. If you get them started, then sometimes you need to take both hands and push them in.